the universe freezes over. But you know, there's a loophole. There's a loophole in the laws of physics. You see, trillions of years from now, perhaps intelligent life will be able to master what is called the Planck energy. The Planck energy is the ultimate energy. It's the energy of the Big Bang. It's the energy at which gravity itself begins to break down. You know that if you have a microwave oven and you heat it up, you can take ordinary water and make it boil. Ice can melt, water can boil. But what happens if you crank up that microwave oven even more? Eventually the steam starts to break up into oxygen and hydrogen. If you crank it up some more, all of a sudden ions form. Atoms themselves begin to rip apart. And then if you crank up that microwave oven even more, then even the nucleus begins to break apart and you get a plasma of protons and neutrons. You crank it up some more and you get gluon plasma. And if you crank it up some more to this incredible energy, 10 to the 19 billion electron volts, we're not sure, but perhaps even space itself begins to boil. Even space-time becomes unstable. Bubbles begin to form at this Planck energy. And perhaps these bubbles are gateways to a parallel universe. Now, of course, we're not sure this is sheer speculation, but there are theories which say that there could be universes right next to our universe. And in fact, the Large Hadron Collider will give us the first experimental evidence about the existence of parallel universes. So think of us as ants living on a sheet of paper, but perhaps there are other parallel sheets of paper with other ants living on them, and perhaps we are very close to these other universes, but we can't reach them. The energy necessary to reach a parallel universe would be the Planck energy, 10 to the 19 billion electron volts. I would suppose that trillions of years from now, intelligent life, facing the ultimate demise of the universe itself, might decide to leave the universe, to leave our universe and enter a parallel universe in the same way that Alice entered the looking glass to enter Wonderland.